Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Harajuku outfit in Dress to Impress. So if you want to serve full Harajuku fantasy in DTI, that's bursting with color, layers, and pure kawaii chaos, I'm going to show you how you can create this look in DTI. So first, I'm going to start with the hair. So for the hair, I'm going to just use one hairstyle and combine it with bangs in the TI. So first, I'm going to find this. I'm going to put on this hairstyle in here, and I'm going to color it blonde like this and combine it with the bangs in blonde, also blue color. So I'm going to use this blue color in here like this. And now for the outfits, I'm going to use first I'm going to use this tops and color it using this patterns in here, this one. Then I'm going to put on this shoe first and color it white and blue. And then for the bottom, I'm going to combine these two skirts. First skirt, I'm going to make it this pattern, and the second one in here with the blue color like this. I'm going to put on this like warmers using the same patterns. And next, you're just going to put on accessory to your outfit. So I'm going to put on this necklace in here, change the chains color pink and the teddy bear into blue, and also this necklace again blue and pink. And also this earrings in blue. And now I'm going to put on this chains accessory on the belly. And next I'm going to put on this on hands and change the color into blue. And you are done. So this is the final result for the Harajuku outfits. Whether you are obsessed with color, love maximalist looks, or just want to stand out, this outfit is pure inspirations. So like if you are living for the aesthetic, subscribe and click on the thanks for more fashion for what slays. And I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye!